Leonhard Euler, a prodigious Swiss mathematician and physicist, made groundbreaking contributions to a wide range of mathematical disciplines. His story is one of unparalleled brilliance and enduring dedication to the pursuit of knowledge. Born on April 15, 1707, in Basel, Switzerland, Euler showed exceptional mathematical talent from an early age. He studied under prominent mathematicians at the University of Basel and quickly gained recognition for his exceptional abilities. Euler's achievements spanned numerous areas of mathematics, including calculus, number theory, graph theory, and mathematical physics. He developed new notations, solved intricate problems, and established foundational concepts that continue to shape mathematics to this day. Among Euler's most remarkable contributions are his discoveries in graph theory. In 1736, he famously solved the problem of the 7 bridges of Königsberg, demonstrating that it was impossible to find a path that crossed each of the city's 7 bridges exactly once. This laid the groundwork for the field of graph theory, which has applications in computer science, network analysis, and optimization. As Euler's reputation grew, he received invitations from prestigious institutions across Europe. He spent a significant portion of his career in St. Petersburg, Russia, where he worked at the Imperial Academy of Sciences. During his time in Russia, Euler made significant advancements in mathematics, publishing groundbreaking papers and producing an astonishing volume of work. In his later years, Euler experienced a series of hardships that impacted his health and well-being. He suffered from vision problems, eventually losing sight in one eye due to cataracts. Despite this setback, Euler continued his work, collaborating with his sons and students who aided him in his research. On September 18, 1783, at the age of 76, Leonhard Euler passed away in St. Petersburg. His contributions to mathematics and physics were unparalleled, with his body of work comprising over 850 research articles and books. Euler's legacy continues to shape the field of mathematics, with his theorems, formulas, and methods fundamental to various branches of study. His brilliance, perseverance, and unwavering dedication to mathematics have made him one of the greatest mathematicians in the world of mathematics and explore the remarkable achievements of mathematicians such as Leonhard Euler. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Join our community of curious learners as we uncover the intricate beauty of mathematical discoveries. Hit the subscribe button now and join us. Ciao.